Guys, today I will be making salt and pepper prawns Cantonese style, and I want to explain how I prepare my prawns before I cook. Is I clean it with salt water, and I will make a big cut on top of the shrimp using my scissor and take out all the veins, and just make sure it's nice and clean and let it dry, pat it dry completely. Here is an example how I clean my prawns with salt water, and I made a cut in the middle using my scissor, cut it all the way down to the head and take out the vein, we call it devein, and clean the prawns and pat dry it. Notice I like to put the prawns on top of my ginger and green onion for the time being because I want it to absorb the flavor. Heat is high. The wok must be very hot before I added in my 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to avoid the shrimp sticking into my wok. Now I added in jalapenos. Then I will add in 3 teaspoons of minced garlic, and I will add in my slices of fresh cut ginger. Now I will add in my prawns and continue to give it a few stir so that the prawns can absorb the flavor of the garlic, ginger, and jalapeno. Then I will add in 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and then give it a few more stir so the salt and the sugar absorb into the prawns, and then add in the green onion. Same thing, keep stirring so that the prawns can cook evenly. And the most ingredient today is 2 tablespoons of wine, and I will cook it until it thickens to the consistency I want. And what I want is my prawns to be completely dry without any juice behind. And I also close the lid to make sure my prawns are cooked evenly. So as you can tell, the prawns are pretty much at the consistency I want. It's kind of dry. I don't want any liquid to leave behind. So I will continue to give it a few stir to dry the shrimp up. And I will also add in a little bit of salt and black pepper before I finish this recipe. Now I am going to add in the additional fresh cut of the green onion. Give it a few more stir, and this dish should be done. There it is. I hope you enjoy watching my video. If you like what you see, please share and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the button below, subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for stopping by. And I really appreciate your time watching my video from the beginning to the end. Until next time, take care.